For this video, we picked 3 of the best online research tools for college students so you can do your research with confidence. Number 1 is Google Scholar. This is a free and easy-to-use search engine that lets you find scholarly articles and other academic resources. You can also set up email alerts so you'll be notified when new articles are published on your topics of interest. The only disadvantage of this research tool is that some articles may be behind a paywall. Number 2 is Jstor. This digital library has a wide selection of academic journals, books, and primary sources. You can search for specific articles or browse by topic. Many college libraries have access to Jstor, so you may be able to read articles for free if you're a student. The only disadvantage of using this research tool is that searching through all the available content can be overwhelming. This is because Jstor contains a large amount of data. Number 3 is Pubmed. This is a free-to-use search engine for medical literature, which can be helpful for students in the health sciences. You can use it to find abstracts and full-text articles from a comprehensive selection of articles in medical journals. The only disadvantage of using this research tool is that it may be challenging to navigate if you're not familiar with medical terminology. Now, before you proceed with your research, make sure you watch this video here about the biggest mistake in writing a research paper. It will give you some awesome tips that will save you a lot of time and frustration when working on your next research project. So, go ahead and click this video.